ሃይ ኤቭሪዋን እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ ኢንተርቪው ፓርት እንደገና እንወስዳለን። ላስት ታይም አንድ ቪዲዮ ላይ ወስጄ ነበር። አሁን አናዘር እንወስዳለን። ሶ እስቲ ሌትስ ፕራክቲስ።
Thanks for joining me today. To begin, what kind of activities do you usually do to stay healthy? For instance, do you exercise regularly, focus on nutrition, or do something else?
To stay healthy, I try to focus on both exercise and nutrition. I work out 2 to 3 times a week. I like doing simple exercises like jogging. It keeps me active and focused. I eat balanced meals like vegetables, fruits, and some proteins, enough amount of proteins. I also like to drink a lot of water throughout the day. And I believe staying active and eating well improves your productivity. ሶ ይሄ ነው መልሴ። አይ ቲንክ በ45 ሰከንድ ውስጥ መልሻለሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። እንደዚህ አጫጭር ነው መሆን ያለበት። ኔክስት ፓርት ላይ ምን ማለት እንደነበረብኝ እንዴት ማለት እንደምችል ኤክስፕሌን አደርግላቸዋለሁ።